Hi everyone, I'm Fatima and welcome to our channel QMath Teacher Fatima. We are the number one math experts in India that make learning mathematics fun. In today's session, let's learn about the polygons and different types of polygons such as concave and convex. We are also going to learn about circle and its properties. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. Click the like button below, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Also, if you want to get live 1:1 classes with QMath certified teachers, enroll your child in QMath. The link is given in the description. TUCO, the ultimate QMath Olympiad, India's largest online math Olympiad for grades 1 to 10, held in association with the Times of India, is pan-India competition for children from 300 schools across the country. You can take part by just paying 200 rupees as registration and get your thinking hats on to solve math problems. So, shall we begin the session? A polygon is a plane figure made up of segments joined at their endpoints, which is closed. Each polygon is given a name depending on the number of sides it has. For example, a three-sided polygon is called a triangle. A four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. When a polygon has five or more sides, the names follow a simple pattern. A five-sided polygon is called a pentagon, a six-sided polygon is called a hexagon, a seven-sided polygon is called a heptagon, and an eight-sided polygon is called an octagon, and so on. Let's do an activity and figure out which of the following shapes are polygons. Is this a polygon? No, it has a curved side. Is this a polygon? Yes, this is a pentagon. Is this a polygon? No, there is a gap, so it's not closed. Now that we know what a polygon is, let's learn about the two types of polygons, concave and convex polygons. Convex polygons are polygons where all the sides are pushed outward. For example, a triangle, a square, a hexagon. A concave polygon is a polygon where at least two sides are pushed in. For example, as you can see, one side of both the images is pushed in. From the follow images, figure out which is concave polygon and which is convex polygon. If you have any doubts in this topic, please leave a comment below and I will get back to you. Now we come to the second part of this session, which is circles. A circle is a plane figure in which all the points are the same distance from the center. Now let's learn some of the important terms related to a circle. Look at the figure. Point A is the center of the circle. It is the fixed point from which the circle is drawn. AB is the radius of the circle. A radius is the segment that extends from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. PQ is the diameter of the circle. A diameter is the segment that joins any two points on the circle and it always passes through the center of the circle. RS is the chord of the circle. A chord is the segment that joins any two points on the circle. The diameter is the longest chord. When we fold a circle along the diameter, we get two half circles. These are called semicircles. A circumference of a circle is equal to the perimeter of a circle. Lastly, half a semicircle forms a quarter of a circle. A circle is drawn with the help of a compass, where the metal side of the compass is kept firmly on a fixed point and the pencil arm is moved around, keeping the metal arm fixed to make a circle. Let's create a circle. Very good. Hope this session has helped you in learning polygons and circles. Do practice making a circle at home. If you do have any questions, please leave a message in the comment section and I'll get back to you. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. Click the like button below, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Also, if you want to get live 1:1 classes with QMath certified teachers, enroll your child in QMath. The link is given in the description. We encourage our kids to go one step further from their normal classroom work and challenge themselves by participating in competitive tests or exams. One such exciting competition coming up is the TUCO, where kids are among the 2.5 lakh students from the 300 schools across the country who are going to compete with each other. TUCO is the ultimate QMath Olympiad, is India's largest online math Olympiad for grades 1 to 10, held in association with the Times of India. We are geared up to participate. What about you? Thank you. Goodbye. Good day.